At Coinbase, we're focused on offering more ways for customers to earn money with crypto. Now, we're going to make it easy and safe to earn staking rewards. Staking rewards let you earn income with your crypto by contributing to the network. When you stake your crypto, you make the underlying blockchain more secure and more efficient. And in exchange, you get a reward. While it's possible to stake crypto on your own, this can be confusing, complicated, or costly. Coinbase is changing all that. You can earn staking rewards with no risk to your underlying assets. Your rewards will automatically appear in your account. It's that easy. You shouldn't have to be an expert crypto trader to grow your crypto wealth. Offering a simple and easy way for our customers to earn rewards from staking is an important step in building an open financial system. Learn more at coinbase.com/staking.
Hola, muy buenas. Vale, a ver, ¿cómo activamos la función de staking de TEZOS? Pues lo primero tenemos que ir a nuestro perfil, vamos a configuración, en configuración servicios financieros y aquí tenemos que tener esto que pone intereses entre paréntesis TEZOS activado. Una vez tenemos esta pestañita activado, ya podremos empezar, vamos aquí a cartera a verlo, a stakear las recompensas de TEZOS. ¿Ok? Muchas gracias por ver el vídeo y nos vemos a la siguiente.